Good morning, my dear students. Today also we are going to discuss about some different models in the method of inspection. Okay, students, method of inspection of the differential equation. Okay, students, let us know the first one, the y dx. Okay, students, the y dx plus x square y into dy. My dear students, first you have to multiply with dy, that is y dx x dy x square y dy equal to 0. So dear students, we can observe here y dx x dy is the derivative of xy. Is the derivative of xy. Everybody know that. But is there x square y? So suppose you can, the y dx x dy is the derivative of xy. So how to write this one? Here is there y dy. Therefore, my dear students, this can be written as y dx plus x dy. This can be written as divided by x square y square on both sides. So, my dear students, x square cancel, then it will come y dy equal to 0. Are you understand, students? This is the way. Now students, we can written as this one. Undoubtedly, this is the students, the derivative of x, the derivative of xy. My dear students, this is the derivative of xy, x into dy, y into derivative of x dx upon, this is the students xy whole square. Okay, students? My dear students, now we can write 1 by y dy equal to 0. Now applying on both sides integrals. What, students? Applying on both sides integrals. Okay, students, now this is the derivative of xy upon xy whole square. My dear students, the 1 by y integral of dy equal to c. When you can take the t, this is, dear students, let the xy be, what, students? When we are taking the xy is the t, the derivative of xy, my dear students, this is the dt. Now dt by t square. The integral dt by t square is the minus 1 by t. What, students? We have to take the integral x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. This is the dt by t square. Dt by t square is the minus 1 by t. T is the, students, xy. Now this is 1 by y is the log mod of y. Log mod of y equal to c. This is the solution. Understand, students? Minus 1 by xy plus log y equals to c. Okay, students? Solve the equation y dx minus x minus 2y cube dy equal to 0. My dear students, is there y dx? This is the, students, minus x dy. Okay, students? This is the, students, y dx. First you have to multiply with this one, minus x dy. Dear students, minus into minus plus 2y cube dy. Are you understand, students? First here x into dy, x dy, minus into minus plus 2y cube. My dear students, is there y dx minus x dy? Now students, we have to divide it by y square. Then it is, students, what is there? Is there 2y dy equals to 0. So dear students, how can you write this is? We can write the simply derivative of x by y. Dear students, this is y into derivative of x dx minus u into x into derivative of a dy. Derivative of y is the dy. V square is the y square. Now the next one is the students 2 into y into dy. Okay students, now applying on both sides integrals, the derivative of x by y, the integral y dy equal to c. My dear students, we can written as this one. How to write this one students? We can write, yes, it can be written as derivative integral cancel. This is the x by y. This is the students y square 2 into y square by 2, 2 cancel equal to c. My dear students, now we are taking the LCM here y. This is x plus y cube equal to cy. This is the solution. X plus y cube equal to cy. Okay students, write down. Dear students, the one of the very easiest one, x dy plus y dx, dear students, is there 2x cube dx. My dear students, how can you write? It is very easiest one students. This is the derivative of xy. X into y derivative is dy plus y into derivative of x is the dx. Dear student, this is the x cube dx. Now students, we can apply the integrals. The derivative of xy. Now this is the 2 into, my dear students, x cube dx equal to c. Now the derivative integrals cancel, dear students. The xy plus 2 into x power 4 by 4 equal to c. Dear students, 2 1s and 2 2s are. Now this is the students 2 into xy 2xy plus x power 4. The LCM is the 2c. Now the 2xy plus x power 4. The 2c is the constant k. You can write or c1 or k, whatever it may be. Okay students, this is the solution. Very easiest one this is. My dear students, the one more question. The solve x plus y. X plus y into dx. My dear students, minus of x minus y into dy. This is the students x plus y into dx minus of x minus y into dy. Okay students, so here first you will multiply with dx. That is the students x into dx, x dx. After that students, there is a small confusion. Okay student, just you can read the question and you have to apply the right technique students. So after you can, this is minus x dy, minus into minus students plus y dy equal to 0. So dear students, first you can write x dx. Okay, is there y dy. My dear students, this is the, we know that x dy, y dx. And another one is there students. First you can take x dx. This is the y dy. My dear students, the one more thing is here. We can written as, this is the x dx and y dy. Everybody know that this is directly x square by 2. This is the, my dear students, y square by 2. But wherein the small technique is there, this will be sending other side x dy minus y dx. So here this is the x dy minus y dx. My dear students, suppose we are divided by x square, opposite this one. How to find this one? Suppose you are divided by x square. We have to know that x dy minus y dx by x square is the derivative of y by x. But what about the x square term? So, my dear students, just you can think 1 minute. So, we have to take, suppose divided by x square plus y square on both sides. Don't write the, dear students, directly derivative of this is the x square by 2, this is the y square by 2. Just after the separable, just you have to think 1 minute. What is the right technique? When you can apply the directly divided by x square, just you have to got this one only. But again, the problem for this left hand side. So when you can apply the right technique, that will be satisfies the entire differential equation. So that is what is the, you can check in your mind what is the suitable technique. My dear students, here I am requesting x dx, okay, y dy, when you can divide it by x square plus y square, my dear students, and also you can just check the options also. Now this is the students, the x dy minus y dx upon x square plus y square. My dear students, now this is the derivative of x square is 2x dx, derivative of y square 2y dy. Now into 2 by 2. This is the students, the 2x into dx, 2y into dy into 1 by 2 upon x square plus y square. Okay students, x square plus y square. Okay students, how can you write this is? My dear students, just you can check in your mind the tan inverse of, is there x? Now we can write the derivative of, my dear student, this can be simply write the derivative of tan inverse of y by x. My dear students, the derivative of tan inverse of y by x, we have to know that 1 by 1 plus y square by x square. After you can write the derivative of y by x, that is the students, x into dy minus y into dx by x square. Okay students, we got x dy minus y dx upon the LCM x square plus y square, these two are cancelled. So is there x dy minus y dx x square plus y square. This is the completely derivative of this one. My dear students, now we can apply the integral also, both sides. We can apply the integrals. Okay students, now what you observed? What you are observed, dear students? Now this is the first left hand side is in the formula of f dash of xy. My dear students, this is in the formula of, how is it? This is the derivative of x square is 2x into dx. Derivative of y square is the 2y into dy. This is in the form of, dear students, f dash of x by f of x. F dash of x by f of x is the students log mod of f of x. Now we can written as the students 1 by 2 into log mod of x square plus y square. This is the students. Now we can written as the derivative integral cancel. Now we got the students, this is the tan inverse of y by x plus c. My dear students, first we sending to the other side 2. This will be log of x square plus y square. This is the students tan 2 into tan inverse of y by x plus c. My dear student, is there base e? What is there? Base e. Now this is the students, the x square plus y square equal to e power 2 into tan inverse of y by x plus c. My dear students, we can written as this one, the x square plus y square equals to what? This is the students, e power 2 tan inverse y by x into e power c. E power a power m plus n is the a power m into a power n. E power c is nothing but constant. The constant is the c1, e power 2 tan inverse of y by x is the final answer, where c1 is the e power c. What is the student? This is the x square. plus y square c1 into e power 2 tan inverse of y by x. Yes, students, write down. My dear students, right now one more question. So that is solve the differential equation. Write down, students. The 1 plus xy into y dx plus 1 minus xy 1 minus xy x dy equal to 0. Dear students, so the y into dx is the y dx, that is x into y square dx, x dy minus x square y dy. Okay students, this is y into dx, y dx, y into y square. Now this is the x into dy, x dy minus x square y dy. My dear students, all of you observe here, the y dx is there, x dy is there. Y dx, x into dy. Dear students, we are taking the common term is xy. That is, the students is there, y dx is there minus x dy. Okay students, now how can you apply here? So my dear students, when we are, just 1 minute students, this is the y dx. My dear students, is there y dx plus x dy. Here the y dx minus xyd is there. Suppose the students, when we are taking the divided by y square, is there y? Undoubtedly here got y cube. So now we have to observe here, there is a problem. How to, suppose it will be divided by xy, it is only there. How can you write the students here? My observation students, y dx x dy by xy whole square divided by xy whole square. So my dear student, why should I take that term only when you can divide it? My dear students, when you can divide it, that term xy whole square, this is the xy students. The derivative of xy is x into dy, y into dx is there. But here, my dear student, this is the y dx minus xy dy. Just you can observe in the next step. Dear student, this is, we can written as derivative of xy. Yes, x into dy, y into dx. This is the students xy whole square. Dear students, just you can write the log of x by y. Just you can write, my dear students, when is there xy in the denominator, when it is there the x in the denominator is xy, undoubtedly you have to think just 1 minute. So why you are taking x by y into dx is there. Now my dear students, the derivative of x by y, that is, we can just, you can check it, the derivative of log is 1 by x by y. Okay students, the derivative of log x is 1 by x by y. After then, this is, you have to compare with u by v. U by v is the students y into dx minus x into dy by y square. Dear students, one time cancel this is, that is the y dx minus x dy by x into y xy. Undoubtedly the derivative of log of x by y is this one. My dear students, we can apply also the integrals. So integral of 0 plus c, integral of 0 is the 0, the 0 plus c, the c. My dear students, here these two are cancelled. In the rough, we are taking the xy equal to t. My dear students, when you are taking xy equal to t, the derivative of xy equal to dt. Okay, understand dear students? The derivative of xy is the dt. So how can you write this, students? dt by t square. The integral of dt by t square is minus 1 by t. What, students? Minus 1 by t. Now we can write minus 1 by t. T is the, students, xy. Minus of 1 by t. Minus of 1 by xy. My dear students, we can written as the log of x by y equals to c. This is the, students, minus 1 by xy plus log mod of x by y equal to c. Okay, students, this is our required solution. My dear students, this is the very easiest one. Just you can write x dy y dx upon x square plus y square is there, just variable separable, just like y dy. We got the we can apply directly integrals. Dear student, the derivative of x square 2x, derivative of x is the dx, derivative of y square 2y is there dy. My dear students, just you can take into 2 by 2, that is 2x dx 2y dy upon x square plus y square equals to, students, y dy. My dear students, applying on both sides integral also, the derivative of x square 2x dx, derivative of y square 2y dy. My dear students, this is in the formula of f dash of x by f of x, log mod of f of x. Dear student, this can be written as log mod of x square plus y square. My dear students, how can you write this one? Y square by 2 plus c. So dear students, this is log mod of x square plus y square equal to y square. 2 is standing other side, 2c. 2c is nothing but c. What is the, students? The 2c is nothing but c. Okay, students, this is the 2c. This is our required answer, students. Suppose if the answer is in terms of e, the x square plus y square equal to e power y square plus c. That is also c y square. C e power y square. Okay, students, this is the one of the easiest one. Okay, students. My dear students, let us now the seventh one, the solve x dy minus y dx equal to x square plus y square into dx. It is also, students, one of the very easiest one. Dear students, right now you feel it is very easy, but after completion of the complete syllabus of the either DE and integral calculus completely, you will face undoubtedly it is difficult. So my dear students, I am requesting you once again, please practice the many times, so many times, especially for the method of inspection. Okay, students, inspection method, the differential in the differential equations we can observe variables separable and homogeneous are very easy. Non-homogeneous third method is a little difficult. And also in the linear differential equation, linear is easy, but the Bernoulli differential equation, just you can reduce into the linear, that will be a little bit difficult. But whereas here so many techniques are there here, just you can identify the technique, undoubtedly dear students it will be very easy. So my dear students, so please practice. Okay, students, now here we can write x dy minus y dx divided by first x square plus y square is a dx. Directly is there, students, answer. So how to get the answer, students? When it is x square plus y square and numerator is there y dx minus x dy, undoubtedly dear students, my observation, this is the tan inverse of is there first x, you can write y by x. My dear students, yes or no? Just you can find the derivative of tan inverse of y by x. Tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square y by x square. Now the derivative of y by x is x into dy minus y into dx by, that is the x square. Dear students, when you are taking the LCM, the x square term is cancelled. Now the remaining is x dy minus y dx by x square cancel. X square plus y square is there. X dy minus y dx by x square plus y square. Dear students, is there dx? After you can take integral. This is the students derivative integral cancel. Now this is the students the tan inverse of y by x. It is the very simplest one, students. Okay, the tan inverse of y by x equal to x plus c. My dear student, this is the answer. Okay, let us now write this one. Tan inverse of y by x equal to x plus c. Okay, students. My dear students, let us now the eighth one. Okay, students. Here solve the integral. Okay, students, is that y into, write down students, the y into axy plus e power x, y into axy plus e power x dx minus e power x dy. My dear students, minus e power x dy. So dear students, when you can observe, is there a small difficulty? So the last 7 sums we can observe, student, there is no e power x, but here you can observe the small technique is there. First you can multiply with the student. This is the x y into y square. My dear students, then it is y into e power x dx. After it is e power x dy equal to 0. Now dear students, just you can forget it dx. X y into y square. Okay, students, now just now a into x dx. Okay, students, now we have to take a common e power x in the both terms. That is there y dx minus dy, and also, my dear students, divided by y square. So dear students, what you are observing here, what is there? So dear students, here x dx no problem, you have to find the integral directly, but is there y square? Undoubtedly, dear students, y square is there. This is e power x is also there. You can write simply what I observed here. Dear students, this is must be the derivative of e power x by y. Is it right or wrong? Just you can check it. This is a compare with u by v, dear students. When you are taking this is the u by v, undoubtedly v u dash minus u v dash by v square. So why I should take the denominator is the y, is there y square? My dear students, just you can write, therefore first y into derivative of e power x is e power x. My dear students, y into the derivative of e power x is e power x. Yes, this is the derivative of x is the students minus dx. Then you can write the students, we have to know that u into, what is the u? E power x. The derivative of y1 dy upon y square. How to write the students? First e power x, first y into e power x derivative e power x, the derivative of x dx, minus u into e power x into derivative of y dy. This is the students, we can take the common factor is the e power x in the denominator. Is there remaining is y dx minus dy by y square. Yes or no, students? What is the term? E power x minus y dx minus dy by y square. You can write simply it is the derivative of e power x by y. My dear students, just we can observe on both sides applying the integrals, that is a into integral x dx plus the integral the derivative of e power x upon y equal to c. Therefore, students, you can write a into x square by 2. My dear students, just you can write the derivative integral or cancel. We got the e power x by y. Okay, students. So this is c. So my dear students, this is the, and when you are taking the LCM is the 2y. This is we got a into x square y. This is the students 2 into e power x. This is the students 2cy. So after you can write, this is the students a into x square y, 2 into e power x. The 2c is nothing but some constant. My dear students, this is the solution. Okay, please just you can note this, students, a into x square y square, 2 into e power x, yes, cy. Okay, students, it is also the one of the different one, students. Okay, write down. My dear students, I will take one more question, the same model. Okay, the above question. So question number 8 and question number 9 are the same model, dear students. Right now we are divided by, is there x dx. Right now we are divided by y square, my dear students. That is the 2x dx. This is the students e power x y dx minus dy by y square equal to 0. So dear students, this term is completely sending other side. Y dx is the plus dy is the minus dy, and also divided by y square. My dear students, this is the 2 into x dx. Just now I explained the derivative of e power x by y. Dear students, right now I explained what about this is the derivative of first y into the derivative of e power x is e power x, derivative of x is 1. After that, students, the e power x into derivative of y is the dy. So we take the e power x is common and v square is the y square. After you can apply the integral both sides, my dear students. We can apply, that is the 2 into integral of x dx, the integral of derivative of e power x by y. Integral of 0 is the 0, constant is the c. Now this is the students x square by 2, 2 cancel. Now this is the students e power x by y is the c. Directly we got x square, yes students, e power x by y equal to c. Okay, write down. My dear students, I will take another different model. So dear students, here we can observe the first we have to multiply with y dx, y square e power x dx, 2xy dx minus x square dy. Dear student, just you have to think only is there e power x. So one term is there only e power x. Therefore, we can't expect from anything for the e power x. So undoubtedly, dear students, the e power x dx you can take individual. So it is not depend on the remaining terms, dear students. So now the divided by y square. This is the students 2x dx by y. Okay students, my dear students, the complete term is also divided by y square. So this is the divided by x square, my dear students. We got here that 2xy dx minus x square dy upon y square. Dear students, when you can observe here y square is there, here x square is there, the derivative of x square is also there, 2x. What is the simple logic is, students? Is there x square? The derivative of x square is 2x, the derivative of x dx. But here y is there, derivative of y dy. So, my dear student, just you can observe It is the derivative of x square by y. My dear students, when you have to compare with the u by v, dear students, first you can write v, the derivative of x square, 2x, the derivative of x is dx, minus u into x square into derivative of y, dy upon y square. This is the term, students, 2xy dx minus x square dy. So, my dear students, just you can 1 minute check mind what is the form is the here. This is the derivative of x square by y. Now we can apply on both sides integral of e power x dx plus integral of derivative of, dear students, the x square by y equals to, dear students, the c. So, dear students, the integral of e power x is e power x. The derivative integral are cancelled. We can written as the x square by y equal to c. E power x plus x square by y equal to c. My dear students, this is the solution. Okay. My dear students, it is, we can observe the students. So, just you can y dx minus x dy is there. Dear students, first you can write cos of x by, after students is there y dx minus x dy. So when you can take y square, undoubtedly this is the derivative of x by y. Y dx minus x dy by y square is the what, students? Derivative of x by y. So divided by y square on both sides. My dear students, divided by y square. How to write the students? The next one. This is the students, x dy is there, y dx. My dear students, just I can write this is x by y into, this is the formula of, dear students, derivative of x by y, that is y into derivative of x dx minus x into derivative of y dy by y square. This is the students, the xy into derivative of xy, x into derivative of y dy, y into derivative of x dx. My dear students, when you can apply the integrals on both sides, therefore students, let xy equal to t, the derivative of xy equal to dt. My dear students, this is the cos t. What, students? This is the cos t dt. That is the students t dt. The integral of cos t, we know that sin t. This is the t square by 2. My dear students, what is the t? xy. This is the student, the sine of xy. This is the x square y square by 2 plus c. Write down, students. Students, my dear students, xy equal to t. This is the t dt. Dear students, x by y. My dear students, x by y is the u. That is the derivative of x by y is the du. Therefore, students, this is the cos u. Derivative of x by y is the du. Therefore, sin u. This is the t square by 2. This is okay. Okay, right, students. Okay, is xy is there, here x by y is there. Now this is the students, the sin u is the, what is the u? That is the x by y. Dear students, the answer will be the sine of x by y equal to x square y square by 2. Write down, students. My dear students, I will take one more question. That is the students, x dx plus y dy, y dx minus x dy. Dear student, this is the x power 4, 2x square y square, y power 4 by x square. Dear students, this can be written as x square plus y square whole square. Now students, we can write written as it is x dx y dy by x square plus y square whole square. This is the students, so the y dx minus x dy by x square. What students you can observe here, the x square derivative is 2x, y square derivative is 2y dy. Now this is 1 by 2, 2x dx, 2y dy by x square plus y square whole square. My dear students, this is the derivative of y by x. Yes or no students? My dear students, and also we are taking the here, also my dear students, we are taking x square plus y square is the t. What student? X square y square is the t. Now this is the students 2x dx, 2y dy is the dt. Dear students, dt by t square. What is the students? dt by t square is there. dt by t square is the minus 1 by t. That is the students minus 1 by 2 t. What is the form students? dt by t square minus 1 by t equal to y by x plus c. My dear students, what is the t is there? X square plus y square. What is the t is there students? X square plus y square. Yes. Students, that is the t is the x square plus y square. My dear students, we can written as it is minus 1 by 2, that implies minus of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, yes, is there x square plus y square. Students, y by x plus c. Okay students, write down. My dear students, so x dx, y dx is there students. This is x dx, y dy. Now this is the students, the cos square of x square plus y square is there students, xy cube. This will be sending to the other side, y dx minus x dy. My dear students, so we can take 2x dx 2y dy upon cos square of x square plus y square. This is taken t students, x square derivative 2x dx, y square derivative 2y dy, and also we take into 2 by 2. My dear students, how can you write this is x by y dx minus x dy by y square. My dear students, how can you write this is 1 by 2 into integral. Dear students, this is the derivative of x square plus y square, derivative of x square 2x dx, y square is 2y dy. This is the students cos of x square, cos square of x square plus y square. This is the students x by y, derivative of what student this is? This is the y by, sorry students, this is the x by y. Therefore, y into dx minus x into dy. My dear students, now we can written as this will be t. What students? This will be t. This is dt by cos square t. The reciprocal of cos is secant square. My dear students, how can you write this is 1 by 2 into, this is the dt by cos square t. This reciprocal of cos is secant. Secant square t into dt. Integral of secant square is tan t. Dear students, integral of secant square is the tan t. That is the tan of t. What is the t, dear students? X square plus y square. Okay students. Now dear students, when you can apply the integrals, this is the t. My dear students, this is the t. This is the dt. T dt. X by y we take the t. Derivative of x by y is the dt. T dt is the t square by 2. T square is x square by y square by 2 plus c divided by 1 by 2. My dear students, we got what is the students? The tan of x square plus y square equal to, this is the answer students, and you can sending to the 2c. 2c is nothing but c. The answer is the tan of x square plus y square equal to x square by y square plus c. Okay students, tan of x square plus y square equal to x square by y square plus c. My dear students, please practice the one more time. These are all questions. Okay students, this is the today. Okay students, thank you all.